Hi everyone, it's Dr. Crad, and today I want to share a personal project that I've been working on. It's a website where patients and doctors can get together and share their experience with various lens implant technologies. It's completely free, it's not funded by anybody. I just made it myself, and I just wanted a place where I could solicit the experience of other surgeons and hear the feedback from real patients who have had lens implants put in their eyes. And so it's called IOLSurvey.com. And I put in a bunch of lens implants in the website, mostly newer technology because those are the ones that I want to learn most about. And it has various lens implants, and there are two sides to this website. There's the patient-facing side and the doctor-facing side. So the patient-facing side shows a lens implant. Let's say you had a NV multifocal lens. You can go in there, read about it, look at people's comments, and you can rate the lens. And so you can give it a star rating. How's your day vision, night vision, near, intermediate, and dysphotopsias? If you're a patient or doctor, let us know. And then leave comments about how you are seeing. And you can compare lenses side by side. So if you want to compare like a LAL with the PanOptix Pro, you can see their strengths and weaknesses based on physician and patient feedback. And you can sort lenses by how good their night vision is, their near vision. You can look at doctor reviews only, or you can show patient and doctor reviews together. I would love every doctor who is familiar with any of these technologies like Toric, LAL, PanOptix Pro, Envy. I would love those doctors to go in here and just put a review on each lens. Give us your opinion. And so this is the patient-facing side. The other side is for doctors where you can access your doctor dashboard or your portal and you can share anonymous post-op data. So let's say you put in an LAL, you want to put in your far vision, your uncorrected distance visual acuity, your intermediate, and let's say your near, right? And also distance corrected, intermediate, near, and far, your refractive data, the corneal stigmatism, all this stuff, right? And if they have any comorbidities, glaucoma, gutata, dry eyes, any of that stuff, post-RK, post-LASIK, put that all in there and then you submit it. So the idea is that when there's enough doctors, not only can they look at their data only, but you can look at all data for a particular lens implant. So you can pick a lens implant and you can see there's two submissions, the patient satisfaction, what their average visual acuity is, and how often they need glasses. So you can go to various ones and see how patients are doing. And I think this is very helpful for doctors who are considering going and implanting a new lens technology. We always have the manufacturer, uh, uh, I don't want to say propaganda, but we always have the manufacturer information, which is always like very, very favorable to them. But I think it's useful hearing from other doctors and real life patients on how they're doing. For patients, this does not replace your surgeon's advice. This website does not know the health of your eye and what lens implant you're a good candidate for. So definitely ask your surgeon what lens implant they recommend for you. But this is just a place where people can go and hear from other doctors and patients what their thoughts are about different lens implant technology. It's better than going to a Reddit forum online. And so there's another thing where if you're an optometrist, an ophthalmologist, and you're seeing post-op patients, and let's say that post-op patient got a toric, and you want to know what they think, and they might not even know what lens implant they got. So you can select the lens implant for them and send them a survey. They will get this survey preloaded with the lens implant that you selected. And so the more data on this website, the more helpful it will become. Of course, there will be noise, but I did this to try to help patients and help doctors learn more about lens technology that's being used. So help me help you share your experience on this site, and hopefully you find it useful. And if you like this site, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you don't like this site, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you don't like about it. Let me know what needs to be improved. And Let me know if you want additional lens implants listed here. As new technology comes out, I'll list them. And there's a place here on the bottom where you can just add a lens request. And if I get enough people asking for different lenses, of course I will add them. No problem at all. So I hope you found this video fun, helpful, and I appreciate your attention as always. So let me know what you think. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.